The history of herbs. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne peppers, scientifically known as Capsicum annuum, belong to the nightshade plant family, which also includes tomatoes, eggplant, and potatoes. The word cayenne is thought to come from the word cana, meaning capsicum in the old Tupi language once spoken in Brazil. It is probable that the town Cayenne in French Guiana is related to the name, and the town may have been named for the pepper. Nicholas Culpeper used the phrase cayenne pepper in 1652, and the city was only renamed as such in 1777. Cayenne pepper have a moderately hot, spicy flavor thanks to a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin is a compound that gives cayenne peppers their signature spicy flavor and is linked to health benefits when consumed. Cayenne peppers are especially rich in provitamin A, carotenoids, and are packed with vitamin C. Cayenne peppers also provide nutrients like B6, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. Even though cayenne peppers are nutritious, most people can only handle a small portion because of their intense spicy flavor. However, consuming small amounts of cayenne regularly can contribute to improved intake of certain nutrients. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.